Blessings everyone, welcome back to Elite Jamaica. This is one of the hardest videos I ever created. I've been doing this like over an hour now. I create a video, I record it, and now. Anyway, today guys is the day we launched the new Elite Jamaica intro. It's an original, professionally made intro provided by a new member of the Elite Jamaica family, Zach out of North Africa, who now resides in Jamaica. Also, there will be an interactive map coming up as to the historical sites where you can click on the parish. You'll see information as to the site. You click on the site, you see the blog from the site, you get info about the site, you get pictures from the site and all of that. Y'all look out for that. That's coming up. Y'all have a wonderful day. Give me feedback as to the intro. Here's the intro, guys.
Elite Jamaica.
Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.